Does that matter? No, it's fine. Alright. It's summertime.
Hi everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. I feel like I should be really quiet. Right now, Danny and I are actually at the uni because we thought we would book a room to study, but we just arrived. Our room was for 2 till 3 and it's currently 2:45 because we went to the botanics to meet two of our friends, so we're a bit late. We also don't know if we're allowed to move the seats, so we're sat kind of far away from each other. But right now, we only have 15 minutes left, but I'm gonna try and book the room for another day and maybe do a wee bit of work. But it's absolutely roasting in here, it's so warm. We also had drinks last night and I feel so sick, I'm so hungover and I feel like I actually might throw up. Is it not your... Here are my study snacks. Slash hangover snacks. I don't even remember when those last clips were filmed, but I thought I would pick up my camera today. It's Saturday because we're about to watch the rugby. Elle's boyfriend is playing today. He's on the bench, but hopefully he's going to be playing. So we're going to watch that now. I have known nothing at all about rugby, but it's going to be fun. Elle just went to Naked Soup and got me this coffee and a soup, which I'll show you. But yeah, it's about to start, I think, so I need to go through.
So
Here's my soup. It's sweet potato, lentil and coconut. And here's the rugby.
yeah.
There he is there.
They're liking them.
Number 17. I just finished filming my birthday haul, finally. We also watched the rugby. They lost, unfortunately, but it was still really fun to watch. Our room is such a mess, so I need to try and tidy it right now, but here's all the stuff that I showed. I feel like really emotional now filming it, like after filming it, I don't know why. What I'm gonna do right now is tidy our room. This is really weird because the camera's still on the tripod. Can I, oh, okay, I'm gonna tidy our room and I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I was gonna say eat, but I'm not even hungry. I also this morning booked a gym slot for Monday when the gym's open, which I'm not excited for, but I have been so unhealthy recently and I just feel like a bit rubbish about it, so I'm gonna go to the gym. So I'll maybe film that and then hopefully we're gonna go to some charity shops, I think that day as well, because that's when they all open as well. I've just changed my top and I put in the hair clip.
Are we ready?
Danny got me.
Big reveal. Ooh!
This is from Balmain. It's really bougie.
One more time. Ooh. Ooh.
Done?
I can see myself in it.
And we're gonna go sit in the botanics and maybe have a drink. Don't tell the police.
Don't tell the police that! We will not. We'll be drinking orange juice and fruit shoots.
We're gonna have water in
Fruit
my
shoots.
Starbucks cup, not straight vodka. Okay? I've got some chocolates that I got for my birthday that I haven't opened, so I thought I'd bring that. And it's really nice and sunny, so yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Bye.
Is it good lighting?
Are you listening, dingus?
It's Monday now and some of the lockdown restrictions lifted today, so this morning we went to a new vintage shop near us that just opened and I was actually kind of disappointed with it, to be honest. I just think charity shops are so much better than thrift shops because they're so overpriced, but I still got a couple things, so I thought I would show you. I got this jumper. I'm kind of annoyed because when I picked up this jumper, I picked it up because it had red polka dots on it, which is like a cycling thing. Danny's told me it's like the King of the Mountains, I think it's in the Tour de France. I've got no idea, but it's a cycling thing, so I was like, this is a cycling jumper, I'm gonna get it for Danny because he's got an exam today, so he can come. Turns out it's a like motorcycling jersey. It's still kind of cool, but I did buy it thinking that it was a road cycling jersey, but I think it's still nice. It was £28, which is it's kind of expensive. And then I bought these shorts, which were £12. I don't love these, but I feel like they're nice and comfy to just like throw on in the summer. So I got those two things. There were a couple other things I saw, but it was just very overpriced, I thought, and I didn't think much of it was like actually that nice, and it felt like I was buying things for the sake of it. But I think tomorrow we're gonna go charity shop shopping, which will hopefully be better. Also, do you want to hear something really sad? So today's the 26th of April. This was meant to be our move-in day for a new flat. If you've watched the moving vlog though, you'll know that it got changed and I'm really sad about it. Also, I was meant to be going to the gym this morning, which I think I told you about. But basically, I think I've got a concussion. It's a long story, but you might be able to tell. I have a huge bump on my head. I also have a bump on the back of my head too, because I dropped a pot on my forehead the other day. That's how this one happened. This one happened because I fell back onto the pot. It was a bit of a mess. So I'm pretty sure I've got a concussion, which is nice. So that's like kind of horrible. I feel like really sick and my head is aching. So I looked up and apparently you're not meant to exercise if you've got a concussion. So I think I'm gonna go back to bed for a while and just lie there and watch some YouTube. I've got an essay due next week and I just haven't done it, and I just really don't want to do any of it. Danny has an exam today, so it's just gonna be me and you probably for like the whole day. I bought a health shot yesterday for after the gym, but then obviously I didn't go to the gym, so I'm going to have it now. I will film me doing it because they're usually kind of disgusting. Also, I know that I look a mess. I really need to go for a shower and everywhere's just a mess, and I can just tell this is not going to be a fun day. So this one is Moju vitamin D shot, ginger, turmeric and orange. I've been trying to like not film when I look like this, because every time I go back and edit it I'm like, wow, you look a mess. But this is a real me, guys. I've had this one before, I remember that. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. I'm so scared, I don't wait, I don't want this camera to die. You can even see me, my head was cut off. My ears are like spicy right now. What is going on? I'm so cold as well. It's been so hot the past week and now I'm so cold. I kind of want to try my new stuff. I just feel like I shouldn't have got these. I feel like they'll be comfy for like casual wear, but I don't really like shorts. I don't know why. Anyway, it's time to go back to bed and put my dressing gown on. Such an adult right now, but I'm just trying to figure out the broadband for our new flat, because obviously we were meant to be moving in today, like I've already said, and for the past like week I've been trying to change the date that they install the Wi-Fi, because it's meant to be installed tomorrow. Obviously we're not going to be there for another like week and a half, but I am having a lot of difficulties doing that. So right now I'm like trying to chat to talk, but I'm kind of thinking at this point I don't think that they can actually change it because it is tomorrow. I've got no idea, to be honest. I've never done this before. So I'm trying to do that right now. I'm also watching some YouTube on our Amazon Fire Stick, which we got the other day. I decided to finally invest in it because we had the Chromecast and it was like really bad. So I thought I'd buy a Fire Stick, and it's honestly life-changing. So easy, cannot recommend it enough. Also, I'm wearing the new jumper. What do we think? I quite like it, it's really comfy. I probably should have washed it before I put it on, but oh well. Also, we literally just received an email confirming our new flat and when we're moving in and stuff, so very exciting. This is probably the worst vlog ever, but it's the next day now and I'm gonna end this video now because I'm gonna start a new vlog of us going to the charity shops today. I'm very excited. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I know that it was a bit of a mess. I hope you liked it anyway, and I'll see you in my next video.